All right, thanks, Aaron. Brad Radisi here with you at halftime for our Bulldog conversation. And I'm joined by Dr. Nena Sanders, not only Samford's Vice Provost, but also the Dean of the Ida V. Moffitt School of Nursing. And Dean Sanders, Samford announced earlier this year the creation of the College of Health Sciences. And I imagine this is a move that really bolsters Samford in the healthcare field for the future.
Absolutely. Currently, we have about a third of our students who pursue some aspect of healthcare, either as an undergraduate student or go on to graduate programs. We have the School of Nursing and the School of Pharmacy, which have more than a 90-year history in healthcare and the preparation of practitioners. So we have a strong foundation to build upon.
Yeah, and you mentioned nursing and pharmacy, and people, maybe if they hear a new College of Health Sciences, Samford isn't new to the healthcare field.
Absolutely not. And that's one of the reasons we've made the decision to pursue two new schools, the School of Health-Related Professions and the School of Community and Public Health, which will build upon those strong foundations that we have in nursing and in pharmacy.
And you mentioned a third of Samford students already being involved in these programs. How does all of them coming together help bolster their education?
That is a great question, and that is one of the reasons that we have formed the College of Health Sciences. As we move forward in the delivery of health care, we know that interprofessional care of patients is going to be essential. We know that nursing and pharmacists and physical therapists and nutritionists and speech and language, social workers, we all have to work together as a team to provide the most effective and efficient service of health care. So as we educate these students with that model of interprofessional education, they will learn together, they will practice together, so that when they leave the academic setting and go into practice, they will have a very strong foundation to work together in teams.
And honestly, when they leave as graduates, there's just going to be a big need for professionals like this as we move down the future with healthcare.
Absolutely. As we look to the population as a whole, we are graying. So the population is becoming older, and we are not even in the midst of the height of baby boomers reaching that 65 and older age. So we know that the largest demand of healthcare comes in our older, our gray years. And the other issue is that because we have less numbers of individuals entering the college ranks, will have less numbers of healthcare professionals to provide that care. So we are going to have a dramatic need for healthcare professionals.
What I love about Samford is we just don't produce robots. You know, you look at Ms. Moffitt and her not only mentally healing but physically healing, and the same thing with over at the McWhorter School of Pharmacy. Having a student get a taste of all of it, does that only help nurture that philosophy of helping the patient, not only bedside manner, but also getting them taken care of medically?
Samford University is a unique place, and its uniqueness comes from our Christian values and the foundation. So that's a perfect platform for us to prepare health professionals. Ms. Moffitt certainly had the vision of caring, compassion, and service. The students being prepared in McWhorter are to transform lives as they practice. And so as we build on that Christian foundation, what better way for our graduates to extend that mission of Samford University and the love of Christ and reach out and serve those who are in need. When people are sick and injured, they are sometimes at their lowest point. And so that is a very comforting time for our graduates to interact with them.
And lastly, I know you have some contact information if anybody is interested in the new College of Health Sciences. What is it?
Absolutely. We are beginning to roll out our new programs, and they can contact Dr. Marion Carter at 205-726-2611, or they may go to the Samford University website and they can click on the Are You Called site, and it will give them more information.
All righty, Dr. Nena Sanders joining us. You're listening to the Alabama Power Halftime Show right here on the Samford Sports Network.